In this chapter, you are going to study about different types of material and properties of material and their classification. Class 6 Science. Can you classify materials? Okay, so today we'll learn about the classification of materials. There are different types of material, shape, size, color, and different forms of material. The first one is wood. Wood has a property like it is also to be meant as for furniture, chair, table, shelf, cupboard, etc. Plastic is very good in nature, and it is used for box, mug, toys, also for chair, table, and shelf. Next is our paper. Paper is for book, copy, newspaper. Okay. Then next is so, according to biodegradable, plastic is not biodegradable, but wood and paper are biodegradable. मतलब कि इसे हम लोग easily डिकम्पोज कर सकते हैं. पेपर भी easily डिकम्पोज हो जाता है और वुड भी easily डिकम्पोज होता है, बट प्लास्टिक takes thousands of years to be decomposed. Now coming on to the metals, as we use in utensil, in our nail, tool, jewelry, wire, and many of the electronic gadgets, we use metal. Examples of metal are gold, silver, aluminum, copper are materials. Then glass. So we use glass. Okay, but glass is what? कांच का. ठीक है. So bottle, cup, tumbler. Tumbler क्या होता है? जैसे कि एक तरह का जिसमें हम लोग पानी वानी रखते हैं. ठीक है. तो tumbler, vase, stick, that crockeries all are made of glass. Then is leather bags, leather purse, leather shoes. Okay, this leather is also a very good material. Then come the clothes. So clothes are the natural and synthetic clothes are there also. Clothes like cotton, woolen. Okay, these are from natural sources. Acrylic, nylon are from the synthetic sources, and coat, etc. So these are the materials. Name some more material today. Okay, now coming to the properties of a material to classify. So it can be appeared lustrous or non-lustrous. The texture is the appearance. Okay, कैसा देखने में लग रहा है, क्या वो lustrous है मतलब वो उसमें से कुछ चमक आ रही है. ठीक है. और नॉन लस्ट्रस मतलब एकदम सा डल सा है. ओके, सो गोल्ड इज लस्ट्रस, बट द अदर वन लाइक कोल इज नॉन लस्ट्रस. टेक्सचर में स्मूथ है या रफ है. ओके, हार्डनेस में हार्ड है या सॉफ्ट है. मटीरियल सॉलेबल है या इनसॉलेबल है, मीन्स इट डिजॉल्व्स इन वाटर और सम लिक्विड, और इट इज एन अनडिजॉल्वेबल मटीरियल, इनडिजॉल्वेबल. ओके, देन फ्लोट और सिंक, मतलब सम मटीरियल लाइक प्लास्टिक एंड ऑल दे फ्लोट, but some materials like metals and metals are sink, they are heavier. Okay, so heavier one sink. Then comes the materials can be transparent, translucent, or opaque. Transparent means the light will pass through it. Translucent means some amount of light will pass through the material, and opaque is no light pass through that material. Okay, appearance of a material is of two types. Either it is a shiny, that is lustrous, or some object don't shine, that is non-lustrous. Okay, so according to the appearance, example are gold, silver, aluminum, and silk are lustrous and they are shiny, while the non-lustrous like wood, coal, plastic don't shine. Next is hardness. According to hardness, the material which is hard, tight, and non-compressible, which cannot be compressed, are examples are metal, wood, and brick. And the soft one which can be compressed are sponge, cream, dough, and butter. The texture of the material can be smooth or rough. If it is smooth, then it is known as smooth in texture, like silk, glass, butter paper, which is smooth to touch. Okay, the rough are jute bags, sandpaper, that are very rough to touch. Generally, glasses are also very shiny and smooth in texture, but there are some exceptions. Some glass are rough also, but generally glasses are shiny and smooth. Density is mass upon volume. What is density? Density is the mass upon volume. If the density is low, then the material will float on the liquid. Example, wood, plastic toy, leaf, all this will flow. Mugs and all, when you keep the mug in your bucket, what happens? The mug will flow. Okay, when you keep your dried leaf on water, so what happened? The dried leaf will float. And sinking, if you It has if a material has high density, then like example metals or heavy hard substances, like a piece of hard piece of metal, it will sink down in the water or something. Okay, so these are the properties. Some more properties of material are solubility. Solubility is whether a substance can dissolve or it is insoluble or it does not dissolve. Okay, so solubility means a substance dissolve in liquid, example in water. Okay, in water what dissolves? Sugar and salt, and in some other liquids oxygen and carbon dioxide also dissolve. These are the dissolvable gas, and salt and sugar are dissolvable solid. Now insoluble is does not dissolve. Okay, so it not dissolve in liquid, like sand, dust and nitrogen gas. It does not dissolve in liquid. Then immiscible and miscible. Immiscible is when two liquid do not become mixed with each other, or it does not dissolve along with each other. Like oil does not dissolve in water, wax or ghee do not dissolve in water. Miscible are which mix or dissolved in liquid, like water. In water what dissolve? Generally we are taking water because it is a most universal solvent. Okay, it is most universal liquid that in which we dissolve our solute. So miscible example which mix with the water, like milk and juice mix with the water. Immiscible like oil do not mix with water. You can have an experiment, take some oil and mix it in water and see the result. Okay, some amount, but okay. Transparent. Transparent are those material through which the light pass. Example glass, transparent plastic, through which the light can pass easily. Translucent, only some light passes, like butter paper, it only some light pass through it. Okay, then the opaque one. So opaque are the object through which no light pass. Like if we hide this, no light is passing through this. Okay, so my hand is an opaque object, like that. Book, chair, human, wood, trees, all are opaque objects that do not allow light to pass through them. Then comes the property of magnetism, whether a substance is magnetic or non-magnetic. If it is attracted by a magnet, then it is magnetic. Like iron, nail, it is attracted by the magnet. But wood, plastic are non-magnetic substance. Why? It does not attract with magnet. Then the good conductor or insulator. Good conductor must be of electricity or heat. Means conductor allow electricity or heat to pass through them. Good conductor of electricity example are metal and water. Good conductor of heat example are metals. Okay. Then come the insulator, through which do not pass electricity or heat. No good conductor. It is a insulator. Okay. Insulator is plastic, wood which does not allow heat or electricity to pass through it. Okay, so today in your homework, just do one thing, classify object. And why we need to classify object? Okay, let's see. So to classify object, we need to do grouping, keep it organized, keep in separate shelf, arranged properly. Why? So that we can find out objects easily and they should be in similar group and easy to handle. Thus, we use cupboard, library, shelf, almirahs to classify materials or object. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel Amplify Studying. Like, share and comment. Thank you.